Morning, this is my Pajero and I'm getting a 2-inch lift kit today from Northlakes, and it will be a Dobinson with airbag man rear airbags to replace the standard suspension, as we are getting a caravan in December, hopefully, if COVID doesn't hold it up too long. So they should be nice blue springs, and the front will be the adjustable ones. So it should not drop, it should. So the 2-inch lift kit should come to about here, I'd imagine it'd be about an inch there, so it should be sitting about there when I pick it up. So that'd be fantastic. I finally talked the wife into letting me get it, and it should be really good. And I also have a nudge bar that's going on the front. But I had Dobinson on my last Parado, and I found them quite good, but this would be an upgrade to that because that wasn't the MMA. I'll have it in the next video when I bring the car back and I'll show you actually how much higher it is. Let me just take you back and I'll show you how high it is now. So it's that high now. So it should be a lot higher. Well, it will be a lot higher, but I need the car all day. So that will be interesting. I'll have the car for the whole day. Yeah, so next video will be part 2, and it'll be of the lift kit installed, and I'll show you how pretty everything is. At the moment, it's all old and yucky, as you can see, but that should all be blue and purple in there. So that'd be fantastic, yeah. So I'm all excited and I can't wait. So I've just pulled up at Northlakes Tyrepower, where I get my 2-inch Dobinson lift kit today. I'm so excited. I mean, like, I'm really excited. And obviously the airman airbag suspension put in the back for the caravan. So I'll go in there, give them the keys, and I'll just wait for my lift to come, because I don't need the car for the whole day. And they've got free fitting on, which makes it very, very, very affordable. So yeah, this is the inside of my car. Got the standard rear diff lock, the heated seats, DIHF, and I'll be also putting the nudge bar on, as I said before in my other video. But yeah, just click and like, subscribe, and yeah, I'll have more content coming up. Thank you. So I'm so ecstatic and so happy. Yesterday I got a Dobinson IMS lift kit, 2-inch lift kit. So my car had actually sagged 20 mil. And it is so exciting that it's actually came up really well. Like, it is really high now. I'm so happy. So glad I went with Dobinson. They give you a 2-year warranty, and I had it done at Tyrepower North Lakes. Great guys down there. I also had a set of airman airbags put in. There's a valve there where you pump them up. Let's have a look underneath. So much higher. Oh my God. So much better. Looks better. It rides really nice, and I would highly recommend Dobinson. Yeah, so it's just a quick little update, part 2 from yesterday when I videoed it before the lift kit, and yeah, it looks really good. So if you're thinking about lift kits, think about them, and at the time they had a special on where you didn't pay for fitting. So yeah,